The Boolean modifier is a great way to create complex shapes, cut holes, or merge geometry without manually editing vertices. Let's take a look at this cheese model, for instance. To put holes all over the cheese, I duplicated these spheres and placed them so they intersected with the cheese model. With the cheese model selected, I'll go to the Modifier tab, click Add Modifier, go to Generate, and select Boolean. We need to choose the object that we're going to Boolean. In the case of the spheres, there's way too many. We don't want to have to add a Boolean for each sphere. There are two ways to handle this. You could select all of these and join them together by pressing Ctrl-J, or you can move them to a new collection. To move them to a new collection, select the objects, press M for Move, select New Collection, give it a name, and click Create. Back to the Boolean modifier on the cheese, change the operand type from Object to Collection. Then select the collection that you just created, and that's what it'll use to cut the object. We can't see what the modifier is doing because the objects are still there. In the outliner, turn off the viewport and render visibility. If you need to, you can still move these objects at any point. For these objects on top, I've gone ahead and added the Boolean modifier. You will have noticed that those objects had different colors, but when I Boolean them, I get the color that I already have on this object. If I want to have the color from the Boolean object, what I need to do is go to the Material tab, make sure that the object with the Boolean modifier has that extra material. Click the plus, find that material, and switch to it. Now you can see that the Boolean modifier shares that material. We have two other options in the Boolean modifier. One is union, which will join the objects and cut any of the geometry that's overlapping. The next one is intersect. What that does is it will only keep the geometry that is intersecting. Try the Boolean modifier for yourself and have fun.